This is going to be a review of the HotShoe mount adapter that is made by Smatree. It's a full aluminum HotShoe adapter, and it comes with a plastic screw. This is made for the GoPro session, the Hero Fusion, the 7, 6, 5, 4, the 3 Plus, the 3, the GoPro Hero 2018. It works on the DJI OSMO. It works on everything that's going to have this type of a GoPro mount. So let me talk about it. So the advantage of a HotShoe adapter is that you can mount your GoPro onto a HotShoe. Now you're not going to be connecting it to get the electrical connection for the HotShoe. You're just going to be using it as a mount. And it has a really nice advantage when you're doing that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the mount. The screw also comes with a nut, let me say that. You probably won't need the nut, but if you're worried about having this on securely, you might want to use the nut. It's already got a built-in threaded nut over there. So I am going to, oh, that is a nice fit. Usually you have to maneuver around to get an adapter to fit into a GoPro, but not with this one. Okay, so let's get this screwed into the hole, feed it through. We'll go all the way through. We'll get this threaded. Now this is only going to work if you have a HotShoe on your camera, your camcorder, your SLR. This is a HotShoe. Not all cameras are going to have it. Some cameras might have the ability for a HotShoe adapter. If it does, you just have to find out which one's going to work on your camera. This is a 4K Panasonic that I just picked up. So I'm going to pop my HotShoe in. And then what I can do now is I can slide this into, it's just like a standard tripod where you've got the screw down piece to tighten things down. So I can slide this into my HotShoe, and then I can tighten it down. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. There's only so much I can show at once. Okay, so we've got that tightened down. Now I want to show you what the advantage is for me and why I think this is such a great item to have. For me, I want to be able to shoot my 4K with my new 4K camera. I want to be able to shoot video, but I also want to get the same type of capture with the GoPro. I love the GoPro wide. I love getting the wide view, seeing the clouds in the sky when I'm at the airport, taking video of the airplanes or wherever I'm going to be at the ocean. So I want to be able to get my 4K standard recording video, and I also want to get the GoPro action. The problem I had is that I did not have this Smatree product. So what I ended up doing is I was using the GoPro head mount, head strap, which was a nightmare, and I looked like an absolute fool. And then I used the chest strap, which is another thing that I really like. But the problem is that when you're using the chest strap and you're holding your camera at the same time, you're going to move your hands in front of your chest, and you're going to mess up the video you're taking on the GoPro. So this item costs under $11 as of right now. It is very easy, believe me, when I go to the airport and I do my videos, to strap that thing around my body and then to clamp this on. It's a nightmare. It's a lot of trouble. This thing for a few dollars, I've solved my problem. Not only that, but you end up getting a view directly in line with what you want to record. Before, I would take my camera, I'd be pointing in one direction, I'd turn my body, and the GoPro would be in a different direction, and I just didn't have consistent video. So this is a really nice mount. It's solid, it's secure, very good price. Now all I have to do is hold the camera, and I can take my video from both cameras at the same time. And if you have an SLR, a DSLR, it's the exact same thing. You've got, just like any GoPro, you can loosen this and get a better angle. As far as turning, I don't believe this turns. I think I was looking, no, it doesn't. Okay, so I was looking, there were some companies that sold the HotShoe adapter that they allowed you to not only go up and down, but to go left and right. And a lot of the comments, people were saying it was breaking, the thing was falling apart, things were cracking. And I thought, you know, this is a secure aluminum mount. The less problems, the better. Let me just buy this. It will be solid. I'll be able to angle up and down, which is really all I need. I don't really need to go left and right. In the video description, I'm going to leave a link so that you can purchase this from Amazon directly with my affiliate link. It will help me out. It will help you out, and we will both benefit. And thanks for watching. I really believe that this is the second most important item that a true GoPro professional is going to want to have.